Hi, Elina. This is Stacy Napper, your instructor, and I have some feedback for you regarding the first section of your employee manual. I am looking for you to cover 6 items. Um, the welcome statement, introduction to the company, at-will policy, equal opportunity, new employee orientation, and acknowledgement form. Additionally, I'm looking for you for it to be spelled correctly, that the grammar is correct, that it's easy to read, and that the formatting is good. So your welcome statement is great, but I don't see much of an introduction to the company. I don't see an at-will policy I do see an at-will policy, but I don't see an equal opportunity. There's no mention of new employee orientation, and your acknowledgement form does not have any place that explains that that's what it is. There's just a place for them to sign. Your spelling is great, but there's a lot of work that needs to be done on your grammar, which made it very difficult to read. And your formatting looked really good. So what I suggest that you do is you read this out loud, and things like in the beginning of your paper, it says congratulations. So for example, that should be congratulations with an S. So all the way through your document, there are issues like that I'm happy to discuss with you in more specific detail. Please shoot me an email and we can set up a time to go through it. Thanks. Bye-bye.